Hello, welcome to today's video lesson. Today we will go through a quick recap of the story Virtually True by Paul Stewart. This story is a work of science fiction. The genre of science fiction deals with advanced and imaginative concepts of science and technology. Michael is a young boy who is extremely interested in all things related to computers, just like his father. One day, he purchases a virtual reality visor and glove and some interactive psychodrive games from a computer fair. The game involves a sophisticated virtual reality environment. Virtual reality is an artificial environment which is created using sophisticated software. In this, the participant experiences artificially induced surroundings using his sense of sight and hearing. Nowadays, gamers get to interact with the environment of virtual reality games. It is in one such interactive game that Michael is first introduced to his fellow participant, Sebastian Sulz. One day, Michael notices a newspaper article that a boy named Sebastian Sulz has miraculously recovered from a coma that doctors feared was permanent. The newspaper picture of Sebastian confirms that he's the same person whom Michael had met in the virtual reality gaming world. In each of the interactive video games, Michael meets and desperately tries to rescue Sebastian. Michael fails to save Sebastian each time. After each game, Michael gets a printout where Sebastian communicates to him about the next rescue game. Eventually, in the game Warzone, Michael is finally able to rescue Sebastian. As soon as he does that, the game ends and he gets a score of 40 million, signifying that he has cracked it. Michael realizes that Sebastian indeed exists in real life. He was playing the same video games that Michael played when he suffered the accident. The concept of artificial intelligence also features in the story Virtually True. The intelligence which a machine demonstrates and which is similar to human intelligence is called artificial intelligence. Somehow, Sebastian's consciousness is saved in the games. He is, thus, able to return from the coma when Michael rescues him. Michael even receives a mail from Sebastian, who thanks him for saving him in the game. Michael's assumptions are confirmed. Thus, we see that Michael lives in a world where technology has advanced considerably. That is all for today's recap video. We hope this helps you in your exams. You can go through our question and answer video for further revision. See you soon.